Hello everyone and welcome back here to start a small garden. So today I'm so excited to share with you guys here the spring garden update, and I'll give you some tour of what's growing here in the garden and some of the vegetables that you can grow as well in your garden this springtime. So the weather is really very amazing and it's sunny, and I have over here some blooming flowers. These are radish flowers that really I let it grow from winter and up to spring, and now they are blooming. They're very convenient because they are very less maintenance and they can grow lots of shoots and greens. It is so amazing because very productive, and I have some Swiss chard as well here that is still growing since winter time, and some dwarf kales. They are really less maintenance as well and can grow in even small spaces. There are some here on the other side. And what we're growing today, this springtime, onions are really amazing as well, and herbs like basil. And over here I have some lacinato kale as well, and I think this is like, if I'm not mistaken, like parsley or coriander. Their leaves are a little bit similar to each other, but here is a daikon radish that really flowers already. Some French breakfast. And over here have some this turnips that really I just let it grow, and it just keep on growing leaves. And over this way, guys, I want to share with you the pigeon peas plant, which I had successfully grown before at peas itself, and blooms and flowers, and they're really great for nitrogen. And here is it's fruiting. I'm seeding already of some radish. And here is my banana pepper plant, and let's start already to produce fruit early this season. And it is one of, I'll recommend this, guys, very highly productive because you can also cook the leaves as well. Great for soups, stews. And have some bell pepper here. I tried to plant it in ground this time, even though I had grown it before when I try for this summer. And it's my first time. So excited to try this Japanese eggplant. I've never grown this before. And over this way is my dirt, how you say it in determinate, tomatoes. These are like bush tomatoes, guys. If you are interested in growing this, I have a video there for you. Plus check it out there in the playlist. And these are like bush varieties that they will going to produce fruit and many really all at once. And I've tried also here this dividing tomatoes, which it can have like a longer fruiting period until frost. So let's see, hopefully they will grow. What is your favorite tomato variety? So try to mix some vegetables and fruiting ones to maximize the space. And over here have some beets as well. Are really great to incorporate some flowers as well. And here I have so far a bottle gourd, and then some mulberry cuttings that I propagate during winter time. I already took them out, and some squash growing, just seedlings, some herbs to add it. So I had tried sunflower as well, and I was have some bananas here that was sprouting. I was not able to fruit them yet. It's like, I think like 2 years already, but I just used them to compost really great. A chamomile plant. And over this way, I'm excited to share with you. It was a gift and two apple trees that they are already fruiting, and hopefully, guys, be able to bear fruits. This is my first time really we planted them in ground, and so far I have one over here as well. I tried experimenting with dwarf phenomenal fig tree because I don't have so much space, so I try to put it there. And then so excited to share with you my grapes. It starts to like flower already, and a blackberry bush. I have not had any fruit this yet, so let's try this. Have tried a spring and some cuttings. I'm really lately even trying to grow some cuttings to propagate them and experiment as well, because they are really amazing to grow in addition to a small garden, even though you have small space. So there you go, guys. These are some of the vegetables that are growing here in the backyard this spring season. If you want to watch more videos, I have playlist there for you guys. You may want to check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you again for another update or how to grow videos. And thank you for watching, and bye.